Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two.